Hello good people. This is your daily memes for you. Here to make you smile. Enjoy my friends. Here is a duck trying to play the tabla. Doggy knows where's park and where is home. Lol, he's smarter than me. This dog won't fool for the glass door.
My bacon strip? Come on. It's okay. Oh my gosh. You were in the house. Okay. Good boy, sit. Okay, good boy.
This is what a little girl's life looks like in quarantine.
Alright, so this is about to be called the Trail Mix. It's a Trail funny version of a remix. Y'all get it? Trail Mix? Yeah, alright, whatever. Look, okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. The house stay clean so I never have chores. I ran out of tissue so I really need more, but I'm scared of outside so please close the door. I'm sitting in my room scrolling through TikTok, making video and video, but still they flop. But I know I can't stop so I will not stop. I have to jump up on this beat to give y'all a bop. Make a stallion got y'all thinking bougie and classy. Make a stallion got y'all singing moody and nasty. Drake got y'all sliding left when that leg come up. Corona time got you bored making fun stuff up. April 1st was the day that y'all unfollowed Charlie. DJs on live throwing live stream parties. Lil Boosie on live acting wild, it's funny. Carol Baskin, you tripping, you killed him, you dummy. I'm an extrovert, I'm just trying to leave, but I'm scared of outside cause a person might sneeze. I'm ducking all organisms, all living things, starting with the humans and the animals and the trees. Please, quarantine, 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 quarantine.
This dog is trying to sleep in a backpack. I wish I sleep like this. Well, that's it for today. If you like us, subscribe, that's all.